Hi, I'm going to show you how to make an Edpuzzle. So I've already connected it here to my remote learning plan, but when you bring up um, you go to Edpuzzle. This is, as you go to Edpuzzle, it comes up Norton and it gives you all these options. Say you don't want to use one that's already here, you can even go and Google search it. Some of these are great. You can use them and use their questions. Their questions are over here. You don't have to make any. And then you can even do this thing where you edit it. And if you edit it, you can do your own voiceover. And then you just, when you're all done, you hit assign. It's very user friendly. It's very complete. It has everything you need. So let's go back to here. You're going to click on, I want to use the one, I believe Karen, Allison, Michelle, they're all using. I think this was Karen's. But let's go through the process. So now you finish going through it. You want to assign it. You hit assign. I'm going to click on my two algebra ones, that one and this one. Click when you go to click assign. Before you do that, you want to change the date. So I'm going to make it to the week, this week. Save. I make everything on, and then I go to assign. And when you go to hit assign, you go to your Google Classroom. It's not here. It didn't show up. Well, I assigned it for tomorrow. So if you click on classwork, it'll be here waiting for you. It's one of the assignments down here. So it's right here. I just scheduled it. You can see it right here. It's due. Here's the assignment. You can edit it from here too if you would like as well. So that's how you post Edpuzzles to Google Classroom.